Hello, in this video we will be looking at EDDMapS.org. EDDMapS, which is short for Early Detection and Distribution Mapping System, is a web-based mapping system for documenting invasive species and pest distribution. It's a fast, easy-to-use program, and it doesn't require Geographic Information Systems experience, or GIS. Launched in 2005 by the Center for Invasive Species and Ecosystem Health at the University of Georgia, it was originally designed as a tool for state exotic pest plant councils to develop more complete distribution data of invasive species. Since then, the program has expanded to include the entire United States and Canada, as well as to document certain native pest species. EDDMap's goal is to maximize the effectiveness and accessibility of the immense numbers of invasive species and pest observations recorded each year. And as of October 2022, EDDMapS has over 6.9 million records. First, let's look at how to report a sighting. First, click on the Report Sightings tab in the navigation pane. At this point, you will be prompted to either log in or create a free account, which I've already done. And after that, you will be directed to this online form where you can fill in all the details about your sighting. But first, we need to decide what it is we're reporting. So for our purposes, let's select plants. We'll pick our state. I'm in Florida. And at this point, we'll be directed to this online form where we can fill in all the details about a sighting. Now, if you want to know more about the species that you've spotted, navigate to the Species Information tab to view a comprehensive list of all the species recorded on EDDMapS. Lastly, navigate to Distribution Maps tab to view all reported sightings of a variety of invasive species. To demonstrate, I'm going to select Wildlife, and I'm going to choose Mammals. Now here in the list, I'm going to find nutria, one of the largest rodents in the world that tend to live near aquatic environments, sort of like a capybara. I'm going to view this on the state level. Now we see a map that shows all the sightings reports at a glance. So let's select Florida to see more. Okay, we see a concentration of reports around Jacksonville, which makes sense to me as a Jacksonville resident. Nutria have established a population near Jacksonville's St. Johns River and are causing harm to the ecosystem there. This is the St. Johns River. If I click on any one of these points, I can learn more about each report. That concludes our demonstration of EDDMapS. I hope you use this tool if you spot an invasive species out in the wild or even your own backyard. Thank you very much.